So now we can't say Mogo now, we can't enter the water now, so we enter the coastal area now. See this my blacky friend Eddie. I say Eddie does see him go showcase his head. I say the guy fought, but why? Oh, I say why, that's why. So man overboard, what you go do now? Come through life boy give up. As a true life boy give up, almost see Eddie grab her because Eddie saved all this shake. You don't see no man now when I me first go, but they come be say they no come video me. So they come they pull Eddie now, they pull Eddie Baba don't pull her. Oh yeah, give her hand. For where bag of smell. As soon as I go they go help her. I start help and see you don't come outside. I so say they laugh. See black face, see that. But you consider say we can't go the water now. We want to teach us how to use the life boy, how to take a safe person, if person won't drown, how to take do the necessary thing. And so Baba come to say okay now. We go first go now. So me I can't go. So me I can't pull use the life boy. I ain't go take rescue me. We see. So you can't carry me, can't push me, come outside, can't carry me. Almost see that time the big body, they enjoy himself. This one that fish you. So we can't reach now. But just carry me, because make I go. You don't carry me with some certain pass. Because make I go. Okay, go and reach next time. Now this sandman. Hey, akbatuku. I say okay, the man can teach how they do. When I say they go see Baba, see how they swing like croaker. Let me croaker, you see the hook they about. So you can swing, you can swing, so I can't reach this end. So now say Baba can't land, so yeah, go back now. Go back. So Baba don't they go back. All of us shall do the same thing. So you can try. Don't do shall. So the next person now go enter turn. Will be the next person. See that and push her say go. I mean when I push her say go. So as push her say go. That this guy called first Balig. But enter. But no so wado sabi swim. Urobo wado sabi swim die. But Wado doesn't look at it. Don't sometimes I go off for one or two things. So the Baba teacher say now what you go do and this what you go do. Okay, come. That's why you can go this side. You show about waiting bag go do. About look, I'm about doing by himself. Say, okay, see what I'm doing. This is what you do, this is what you do, this is what you do, this is what you do. So next time I constantly do about teacher. I come be like, not be Wado be this. So isn't the worry Wado today? Wado Kishak don't understand. We will come. If man see the video, now make a delay, man say this man try capture everything. So we can see Baba did demonstrate. When everybody can drag our attention to teach us more understand where she understand. May say where make you understand. We go ask questions. So now so Wado can start. Wado don't start now. Yeah, push her. He help her more in the swim. In the swim like injury we see in Grand Chaff one spoil. So he don't reach that side. He don't swim. But it makes sense say inside the swim share. So in the teacher and the surviving skill. So see Baba did that way. Baba did that side. No, now as I wanna push him. As I wanna push him now, Baba did that way. You see the issue and what you go do. Oh yeah, come back now. We they wait for a nigga, see my nigga come back. Okay, a nigga can try. Use back, come back. But you go first carry you come some kind parts. You see the parts you be say no they greenish where. Now I can reach as I wanna time. Now so I see this guy sabi swim. Asawana don't they swim. Asawana don't swim. Reach some kind parts of the area. Maybe say not too bad like that. Oh yeah, come back now. Come back now. For where? What are they carry go? What are they carry go? Yeah, we don't know. I said they call guide. Oh yeah, come back now. Oh my leg though. EG don't spoil. I to go to Abu. So they call help to reach that way. And when they to reach not too bad. But Baba see the struggle, she won't do anything. That's okay. See him, you don't come outside. See head. So you can't reach the next person. To go be the next person. I do it to like this cause we say it makes sense. Say Baba sabi teach, instruct. So now this one they call us. It's on a instruct. Beta instruct. You can add it to. If they teach you, maybe say you go understand what you go do. But you know say Nigeria, they bad. They not gonna know you. You understand? Now who no man they help man people they don't even understand anything. But this kind of people handle your marine business and no worry. So back on show us this one we be say in the teach us one thing, but I never to understand. So me I can't first go. You can't say okay, make I can't save her, I can't they carry him back, I can't carry reach there, see what don't stand up. So you go be the next person turner. Hey Eddie Baba, Sandman, say about the propeller they go. Baba can carry one hand, but he just said don't spoil. For where it is a year that's people. Now they say sweep, all of that is shake body. So no while like can't carry reach there. Who be the next person? Wado they go like baby frog. You don't reach now, you carry and come outside. You try, you can't reach outside. But I don't start that. Okay, the next person. Asawana don't they go. Asawana they go. as one I don't reach now, oh yeah, come outside, I no agree. So back on to say, okay, this one be say make I come, make me a good that level as I reach that place. So him go teach me how to, in case I won't go help us with the drown, he go teach me how to do am. So now what thing they teach me, so me I come to am. I me did that place they to am, they push am, me come outside, you understand? So it will be saying just for classroom. Now I'm waiting, they try to explain for this place. So everything when teacher, now they try to explain. Now I can say, wow, Isha go do if you say we need to get them clear. But I go still call our attention and say, okay, no worry. When I come, I go show now what I go do. I go show now what I go do, what I go do. So he go explain well. No everything I go tell you because me I just, you understand. Now what I do, so I just make I go, you know. So now how to do SOS? Maybe when a ship drown, how all of now to survive. Everything now about surviving skills. Yeah. So now all of us can hold this thing now, Baba. No be smart, you know. We are whole with this Steve. As we just did it still, Baba. Before no currents they help us with the shout, help, Baba. I do the shout. Let's see the talk. Egba mi o. You just that now, Baba. You just like all this Yoruba or something. Or more Yoruba, you just enter Lagos. Don't worry. So see us now. We don't remember that so we scatter. Or we currents, everybody scatter. So come be like say we don't scatter almost. See the water on the swim. You go see everybody go start to swim like fish now. No worry, see her for your front. So we don't wait. I'm waiting to happen. They come be like say I don't watch the video well. Okay, all of us on the swim they come. Oh, I know cut time, but no worry, it makes sense. So Baba now can start to explain, tell us what to understand, if we understand, if we don't understand. You understand? And you go teach us. The waiting so say best with the video gets patient and good person. Baba teach us, we'll ask questions, waiting we know, the one we know before, we just won't be like so no. We share ask. We test we test, no be test. We test the guy intelligence, it makes sense, it's a be. So anyway now, make I just end the video. You know say I really like to the